Oh my goodness, look what we just found on the side of the street. Oh my goodness, it's like a street side chicken sanctuary. Wow. And this is the sweet Thai chili sauce they're gonna pour on top. Oh my goodness, it's just a never-ending sauce fest here. All right, check it out, guys. It's Trevor, James. We are in Terengganu on the east coast of Malaysia. This is the land of endless beaches and delicious food, and I'm so excited because today we are continuing our road trip up the east coast, driving to Kota Baru and bringing you for tons of street food we find along the way. Let's go check it out, guys. This is part 6 of 7 of our ultimate East Coast Malaysia road trip. And today, you're in for a treat, because we're bringing you in full on for tons of unique street food in the local markets that we encounter along the way. And a very unique feast at the end of the video that's gonna make you hungry. Let's eat. And check this out, guys. First up, we are in a local market. There is a lot going on here. Fresh fruit, local vegetables. You can smell the stink beans, the petai. There's pandan leaves, local, herbal, tropical ingredients here for all of the Malay cooking. And look at that, guys. She just gave us this snake fruit. Mmm! Oh, it's sour and sweet. Mmm! Sedap. Sedap. Yeah. Terima kasih. Thank you. Thank you. And first up, look at this. We're in the local morning market. There's tons of food, and we're gonna choose one of these to eat from. Selamat pagi. Selamat pagi, kakak. Wow. Banyak makanan. Wow, that's the nasi dagang. Terengganu special with a ikan tongkol. That's tuna. Oh, that's chicken curry.
Daging kurma.
Oh, daging kurma, a beef kurma. Ini apa?
Sambal nasi lemak.
Oh, nasi lemak sambal. And this is just amazing, guys. You can get your yellow, sweet, sticky rice, or you can get your nasi dagang. This is the classic Terengganu special. And you get that with this ikan tongkol gulai, which is a tuna fish gulai curry with santan. But I think what we're gonna try is this nasi minyak. Saya nak makan nasi minyak, boleh kah?
Boleh.
Okay, that's what I think we're gonna try because it looks so colorful and nampak sedap. And maybe some kari ayam. Let's try that. And here we go, guys. Look at this. We've got the nasi minyak. That's the ghee-infused local rice with, you can actually see cardamom, cinnamon. I think there's star anise in there as well. And, oh, there's pandan, ginger. Wow, with so many spices. Oh, sambal. Yes, please. Thank you. Oh, yeah, that'll be good. And there it is. Terima kasih. Let's take some sambal. Wow. Sambal ikan? That's the special sambal, chili sauce. Terima kasih. That's gonna be really good. And here we go. Terima kasih. We got the nasi minyak, guys, in the local market. Nampak sedap. And look at this. That's it right there. And this is such a famous ghee-infused rice dish, guys. This is classically filled with a bumbu spice mix, usually with cardamom, star anise, cloves, caraway, cinnamon, onion, garlic, curry powder, all the good stuff. And then with the kari ayam. Kari ayam. Oh, wow. So we've got the kari ayam, the chicken curry, we've got the sambal, and that's a spicy sambal. Nasi minyak?
Very good.
Very good? Sedap?
Itu Malaysia makanan mesti sedap punya.
Sedap?
Canada ada.
Canada tak ada. Yeah. Wow. People are so friendly here. And I've just mixed a little chicken curry in there. But let's just try that rice pure first. Mmm. Oh, wow. It's like a Malay biryani in a way. You can taste the local spices. Definitely some cardamom in there. Definitely some cinnamon. And definitely some local pandan as well. And now we can just flood it, as they say in Malaysia, banjir, with that kari ayam. This is the combo that they recommended. And let's take a little bit of this spicy sambal and just take it down. You can see there's a mix of red and green chilies in there. What a flavor explosion. Mmm. That is definitely one of the best rice dishes in the world. With that sambal, your mouth just burns. It's like there's fireworks in your mouth, but it's satisfying. Oh, roti canai?
Yes.
Terima kasih. That's really one of the best parts of living in Malaysia, is the hundreds of varieties of curries. Sangat sedap.
Thank you.
The nasi minyak. Wow, that's amazing. Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
See you next time.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Very much.
Bye-bye. And we are off, guys. We're making our way to Kota Baru, the pinnacle of our trip. Let's go. And next up, before our insane lemongrass tandoori chicken Malay style encounter, we stopped on the side of the road and found a bustling beach market. Awesome, guys, and we are off, just driving past the beach roads. It is absolutely beautiful here, guys. We're driving past coconut-lined beach roads, and there's just endless beaches here. And look at this, guys. We're just driving through a beach market. Wow, tons of stalls. Let's see if we can find something to eat on the way. Okay, and there's a beach market. Look at this. Wow. And just look at this beauty, guys. There's so much fresh air here and tropical vibes. And there's a few food stalls here selling veg and fruit. And we're gonna see, maybe we can get a quick little snack. And looks like we found a very unique stall here. Selamat pagi, kakak. Wow. Ini apa?
Kue namanya benderang.
Kue bandarang. Oh my goodness, we just found a traditional Malaysian kue dessert. And you can see she's making it right here, and they just get fried in the oil. Bahan ada apa? Ada
Tepung beras.
tepung beras.
Gula.
Gula Melaka?
Gula Melaka 3.
Tiga. Oh, so she just explained it's made with rice flour, gula Melaka palm sugar, and then regular sugar. And you can see they come off in these sticks here. They just go right in the oil, and then you get this long stick of kue. Kue tradisi. Oh, boleh? Terima kasih. Oh, it's still hot. Terima kasih. Mmm. Oh, wow. They have this charry smokiness to them from being fried in that oil. And they're definitely sweet, but it's a palm sugar sweetness. Terima kasih. Wow. And we're gonna keep exploring. Thank you. Bye-bye. And we're gonna keep driving and make our way up north to Kota Baru. Let's go check it out. And now we're moving into the ultimate juicy chicken. As we were driving our way up to Kota Baru, right on the side of the street, we found the most juicy Malay-style tandoori chicken. You need to see this. Okay guys, and we're almost in Kota Baru now, but there's a few stalls we've just seen on the side of the road. One up here. Let's stop and see what it is. I think it looks super interesting. And here we are, guys. I think I saw a whole chicken. Let's go check it out. Apa khabar? Oh, ayam. Ayam tempayan. Oh my goodness, look what we just found on the side of the street. Oh my goodness, it's like a street side chicken sanctuary. Wow. Ini manis? Manis? Ada gula? Lain-lain? Oh, garam, sikit. And there it goes. It's like a tandoori chicken on the side of the street, except it's Malaysian style. Sikit pedas, sikit manis. So it's spicy and a little sweet. And it's just street side tandoors here. This is the Kota Baru special. Look at how crispy that skin looks. And this is the sweet Thai chili sauce they're gonna pour on top. Spicy, pedas. Hot. Whoa. Oh my goodness, it's just a never-ending sauce fest here. Wow, it's a golden aura chicken. It just glistens in the light. And they've covered it in a sour, spicy, sweet sauce. And you can see, wow, there's garlic and there's coriander in there. And that chicken, look at that, it's just falling apart. Wow, let's just make sure to get a little skin on there and go right in for a juicy bite. And you can see he's just chopping non-stop. Let's try it out. Oh. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, it's definitely sweet, but it's not overly sweet. And there's a lot of ingredients in that marinade, guys. You can definitely taste lemongrass, serai, some kunyit, turmeric. It almost tastes like honey mixed with lemongrass. And I think the best part is how it has that coal aroma to it, that natural smoke, and they're just loading us with more sauce. You can taste that coriander and lemongrass. Sangis it up. Mm. Mm. Oh, and you can cool off with mango. Look at that, guys. You can cool off with a mango juice too, right on the side of the road. Terima kasih. I think we just found heaven, guys. Mango juice, lemongrass tandoori chicken, and what a beautiful country this is. Mm. Terima kasih. Sangit sit up. Number one. See you. So nice. Wow. Bye-bye. And we are off. Let's go to Kota Baru. And next up, before our super delicious and unique street dinner, we found another local market selling some super traditional and delicious snacks. You're gonna love these. And here we are, guys. Just made it into Kota Baru. This is the pinnacle, the final destination of our trip on our East Coast Malaysia road trip. And first up, just got in, we're gonna hit the local market and see what we can find before dinner. And here we are, guys. First stop in Kota Baru, local market. Let's see what we can find. Hi, Kaka. How are you? Apa khabar? Oh, and what do we have here? Ini apa?
Pulut bakar.
Pulut bakar. Oh my, I think we just found the jackpot, guys. Wow, so this is pulut wrapped in a banana leaf. Sticky rice. Ada santan.
Ada santan.
And this is the pulut. Santan.
Santan.
Ada gula. Gula Melaka.
Gula biasa.
Oh, gula biasa. So it's regular gula. And look at this. Once they're wrapped up, they're put in this device here and right over the flame. And they are bakared. They are grilled, as it's called here. Sit up. Sit up.
Very delicious.
Very delicious. Awesome. Oh, and there it is, the pulut bakar. Oh, and you can see she's just pressing it with the banana leaf naturally. And then it goes back on. Wow. Saya nak makan satu, boleh kah? Okay, let's try it out. That's the pulut bakar. Terima kasih. Wow. That is beautiful. Look at that golden brown, crispy, sticky rice. Terima kasih. That's it right there, guys. Oh, it's so hot. Still so hot. Right off of the press. And they just put a little oil in there. You can feel, oh, extremely hot. Terima kasih. Wow. Oh my goodness. It is all about that crispy, blackened, sticky rice on the bottom. It gives it this toasted, almost nuttiness. And then it is sweet. They do load it with sugar, but it's not too sweet. Wow, it just goes down like nothing. You can eat the whole thing. Simple sticky rice, but it's so delicious. Toasted, smoky flavor. Terima kasih. Sangat sedap. Sangat sedap. See you next time. Bye-bye. Wow, and right across here. Hello. Apa kabar? Oh, ini apa?
Ini onde-onde.
Onde-onde. So it's a sticky rice, tepung pulut, and pandan, and kelapa. Oh, and she's making them into balls with the gula melaka on the inside, and then puts them in here, and they turn into desserts. Oh wow, and here they come out. Look at this. This is the coconut. Oh, and she's gonna coat them on. Wow. They're like sticky rice pandan balls with gula melaka coated in coconut. Oh, it's still so hot. Wow. Terima kasih. Wow, so that is like a sticky rice flour pandan sweet dessert. Okay. Oh. Oh wow. Wow. And there it is, guys. You can see the gula melaka is just oozing out. That is like sugar upgraded. It is so aromatic. Saya beli 10, boleh kah? 10 biji. We're gonna get 10 of these. Look at this, guys. 10, and they just explode. That gula melaka is almost like a caramel. Terima kasih. Sangat sedap. And they're still so hot. Terima kasih. See you. Bye-bye. Wow. And there's so much in this market. Look at this, guys. There's another stall. Apa kabar? Hi, boss. How are you? Oh. And you can see there's the flour and eggs combo. Ini apa? Apa lambong telur?
Yeah.
So I think that's like a local, pancake. Ini apa? Ini telur? Telur tepung. Oh, so it's eggs and flour. And this is so cool, guys. Look at all the specialties that he's got here as well. He's got, I think these are sardine puffs. This is a potato puff. This is a Thai som tam salad. And then ayam goreng and more ayam goreng, fried chicken. And this is the real specialty here, guys. Look at that. Wow, it's fluffy. Nampaks it up. Oh, wow, look at the bottom. It's beautiful. Look at that flip. It's got a brown, crispy bottom to it now. Ini manis? Oh, kelapa. Oh my goodness. And here it is. Look at that. It's like an egg pancake. Wow. An egg pancake with coconut wrapped up. And then they just go right here. Beautiful. Saya nak beli satu. Terima kasih. And there it is, guys. Let's try one of these out. Wow. And there it is. Look at that. It's a full-on egg coconut pancake. And it's still steaming with coconut. Let's try it out. Oh, wow, that is definitely sweet and fluffy. It's one of the fluffiest pancakes I think I've ever eaten. That's a sweet, fluffy, definitely egg-filled pancake. Oh, it's so soft. Terima kasih. Sit up. Such a cool market, and we're gonna go for dinner now. See you. Bye-bye. Awesome. And what a super cool market, guys. We are gonna finish up the day, just arrived in Kota Baru with a delicious dinner. Let's go check it out. And last up, to finish up the night, we're bringing you in for a full-on, super delicious, ultra gravy-filled nasi kukus dinner. Steamed rice and mixed dishes. One of the true joys of Malaysia. Watch this. Okay, guys, and to finish up the night, we're just coming in to Chinatown. This is Kota Baru Kelantanese food. And we're bringing you for a full-on tour in the next video. And tonight we're just gonna finish up with, right here, look at this. People lining up in the rain for some nasi kukus. This is it, Kota Baru. And I believe they're gonna have the ayam percik, a Kelantanese, barbecued chicken. Let's line up. Nampaks it up. Nampaks it up, hi. Wow, and look at this fried chicken station. Absolute mastery of the fried chicken. This is ayam goreng berempa with a spice mix on the outside. Oh my goodness, and here's the ayam goreng. Ayam goreng berempa. Berempa. This is berempa ayam goreng, guys. It's loaded with a spice mix. Sometimes there's lemongrass. Oh my. And it's so aromatic and so full of Malaysian flavor. There's ginger and lemongrass. And here's the chicken mountain. Look at that. Oh, it's a never-ending chicken mountain. And we're almost at the front of the line now. You can just see it's complete action here. So many dishes to try. And just look at all these specialties. There's so many different types of curries and gulais. And this is Kelantanese food. And just look at this, guys. It's a non-stop curry mixing station. We're going to get into line, but just take a look. Wow. Look at this. You get your steamed rice and then a mixture of curries. A lot of people are getting the fried chicken and then the cucumbers and then the sambal mix. Oh, it's just a beautiful combo. Hi, boss. Banyak makanan. Saya nak ayam percik. Terima kasih. We're gonna get the Kelantanese ayam percik. So spicy. Barbecue chicken. Then ikan bilis. That's anchovies and chilies and peanuts. And telur. Then satu sotong. Oh, terima kasih. Then curry mixing. Yeah, this is the best part. Watch this. He's gonna mix it with all the different curries and sambals. Oh yes, look at that. It's absolutely beautiful. And then a little pickled cucumber on there. Terima kasih, boss.
Okay.
Nampak sedap.
Thank you.
Thank you. Terima kasih.
Enjoy your food.
Thank you. And there it is, guys. Look at that. We just got the nasi kukus. And this is a Kelantanese specialty, guys. This is a roasted chicken marinated in tons of spices like turmeric and cumin and coriander. And then, of course, lemongrass and coconut milk and tamarind. And it's absolutely beautiful. Look at this. There's a spicy chili sauce. We got the ikan bilis. That's classic. Fried anchovies, fried peanuts, pickled cucumber. We got a unique, this looks like a spicy, almost like a fried egg in a sambal. And then we've got sambal sotong. And then the real joy here is this rice. Look at how he's loaded a few different types of curries on there. And a sambal, and there's actually an ikan on there as well. Let's first just taste that rice. Oh, and it's nasi kukus. It's steamed white rice. Oh, no wonder the lineup is so long. Look at that. That is incredibly delicious. Oh my goodness, that is spicy and aromatic with lemongrass. It all mixes so well together, especially the ikan bilis, the crunchy fried anchovies and peanuts. And this is one of the dishes we came to Kota Baru for, a Kelantanese specialty, the ayam percik. Let's just take it down. Oh, it's sweet. Oh my goodness, it's like a lemongrass, coconut milky, infused, juicy chicken meat and slightly sweet. It's also got a little bit of tamarind flavor in there. And what a rice combo. So overall, the level of aroma from that lemongrass and maybe some kaffir lime in there as well just brings up that curry to a whole new level. And I thought we were done filming and I was just continuing to eat this and finish it. But there's one more thing I wanted to add. It's burning. This is a very hot meal, and if you love spicy, you will love this because it is like a fire in your mouth. Oh, it's so burning.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
See you.
Bye-bye.
See you next time. Thank you. What a wonderful day it has been. Please leave us a comment down below. This is just the beginning. Next video, we're taking you for a full-on Kelantanese street food adventure here in Kota Baru. Hope you enjoyed it, guys, and thanks so much for watching.